Hello students, welcome back to our online class with Best English School and with me your English teacher Havisha Patel students. So students, in the video lecture we have done this topic, this chapter, a different kind of school, right? The first two pages we have definitely completed, but I have told you that I will start this video with a new topic and I will do it right now. So let's begin. A different kind of school. It is all about the girl and a boy and the school she had went to on. Let's read this one. I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school, but not till last week did the chance come to visit it. When I arrived, there was no one in sight with a girl of about 12. Her eyes were covered with a bandage and she was being led carefully because between the flower beds by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. She stopped and asked. It looked like she asked him who had come. He seemed to be describing me to her. Then they passed on. Miss Beam was all that I had expected. Middle-aged, full of authority, yet kindly and understanding. Her hair was beginning to turn grey, and she had the kind of plump figure that is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. I asked her some questions about her teaching methods, which I had heard were simple. So students, in this chapter, a different kind of school, I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. मतलब Miss Beam's school, there was a school of Miss Beam's, but not till last week that he got the chance to visit it. मतलब they get the chance to visit the Beam's school. So when I arrived, there was no one in sight but a girl of about 12. मतलब वहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं था, सिर्फ एक गर्ल थी जो 12 ईयर्स की लग रही थी एंड उसके आइज़ में बैंडेज बांधा हुआ था एंड शी वॉज बींग लेड केयरफुली, और वो बहुत संभल के आगे चल रही थी. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स बिटवीन द फ्लावर बेड्स आई वॉज the little boy who was 4 years younger than her. She stopped and she was assumed that कि वहाँ पे कौन है, but the boy was helping her and they passed on. When they gone to Miss Beam's, उन्होंने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था वैसे ही मिस बीम थी. मिडल एज, फुल ऑफ ऑथोरिटी और अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और उनके हेयर्स ग्रे कलर के थे एंड she had the kind of lump of figure that is likely to be confronting to a homesick child. मतलब बच्चों के लिए वो ऐसे बोल सकते हो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थी. So Miss Beam have asked her some questions about her teaching method. मतलब उन्होंने जो लड़की थी वो उनसे पूछी उसकी टीचिंग मेथड्स के रिलेटेड, विच आई हर्ड very simple because she had heard about the method which the Beam's school teach them and it was very much quite easy. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things simple: spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying and writing. The rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There are practically no other reasons. So what happens students is that no more than, मतलब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि I just simply have a simple method that is spelling, adding, subtracting and multiplying and have a good writing, and the rest is have been reading. Reading is the main object, but by interesting talks during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. So there are practically no other lesson. These are the lessons that we teach in our school, in the Beam school. The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness. kindness to others, and being responsible citizens. Look out of the window a minute, will you? I went to the window, which overlooked a large garden and a playground at the back. What do you see? Miss Beam asked. So what happened? Miss Beam told that our main aim, the real aim of this school is not to teach thought, but to learn to teach thoughtfulness एंड काइंडनेस टू अदर, मतलब सामने लोगों के साथ अच्छा बिहेवियर करने का, एंड टू बीइंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन. सो विल यू, एंड मिस बीम asked that will you look outside the window for a minute, will you? Then I went to the window and I saw overlooked a great garden, a large garden and a large playground at the bank. So Miss Beam asked, what do you see? Then I see some very beautiful grounds, I said, and a lot of jolly children. It pains me, though, to see that they are not all so healthy and active looking. When I came in, I saw one poor little girl being led about. She has some trouble with her eyes. Now I can see two more with the same difficulty. And there's a girl with a crutch watching the others at play. She seems to be a hopeless cripple. So what happened? The author said that I saw a beautiful grounds and I saw a lot of jolly children. मैंने वहाँ पे क्या देखा? बहुत सारे jolly childrens को देखा जो दुख में, it pains me, पर वो चीज़ मुझे बहुत दुखी करता है, बिकॉज जब मैं यहाँ आ रही थी तब मैंने एक गर्ल को देखा जिसकी आइज़ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी और उन्हें अपने आँख में बैंडेज बांधा हुआ था. सेम टू सेम ऐसी मैंने और गर्ल्स को भी देखा. So what happened? There was a girl with a crutch watching the others at play. मतलब वो ऐसी भी एक गर्ल थी जो दूसरों को देख रही थी और अपने आप को दिलासा दे रही थी कि मैं भी एक बार इनके साथ खेलूँगी. There was a hopeless cripple. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said. She is not really lame. This is only her lame day. The others are not blind either. It is only their blind day. I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. So what happened? Miss Beam laughed when the author said that I was so sad about the girls. So Miss Beam laughed, said, oh no, that is silly. They are not really lame. उनका वो लेम डे है. दे आर नॉट रियली ब्लाइंड. वो लोग ब्लाइंड नहीं है, वो अंधे नहीं है, उनका वो ब्लाइंड डे है. एंड देन आफ्टर ही वॉज वेरी मच सरप्राइज्ड, एंड देन वन मोर टाइम शी वॉज लाफिंग लाउडली. This is a very important part of our system to make our children appreciate and understand misfortune. We make them share in misfortune too. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged absolutely, and they are on their honor not to peep. The bandage is put on overnight so they wake blind. This means that they need help with everything. Other children are given the duty of helping them and leading them about. They all learn so much this way, both the blind and the helpers. So what happens, students? The Miss Beam said that this is a very important part of our system. ये सबसे बड़ा सिस्टम है कि जो बच्चे हैं उनको इससे क्या सीखने को मिलेगा? एप्रिशिएशन सीखने में मिलेगा. वो लोग दूसरों की मदद करेंगे. दे विल अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर वेरी क्लियरली. सो हर दिन एक बच्चे को ब्लाइंड डे करना पड़ता है, डेफ डे करना पड़ता है और लैम डे करना पड़ता है. तो उससे क्या होता है कि वो लोग ये चीज़ को महसूस कर सके कि व्हाट इज़ द पेन ऑफ दीज 3 एंड डिसेबिलिटी. सो एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रेन विल हेल्प देम, जो दूसरे लोग हैं वो इन लोगों की हेल्प करेंगे, उनको आगे करवाएंगे। और जो गर्ल की बात आपने किया जिनके आँख में पट्टी बांधी हुई थी, उसकी आँख में पट्टी हम लोग रात को ही बांध देते हैं, तो जब वो सुबह उठे तो शी और ही विल फील ब्लाइंड, सो द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे शी कुड हैव टू मैनेज इट बाय herself only, and the other children's having that duty that they have to help that person, help their children. तो इससे क्या चलता है, they all learn so much about this way, both the blind and the helpers. इस वे से क्या है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें बच्चे सीखते हैं, जो ब्लाइंड बने हैं वो भी सीखेंगे और जो हेल्पर्स है वो भी सीखेंगे किस तरह से हेल्प किया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज इज़ द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? टू इन दिस स्टोरी teaches us that we should help each and every person's disability also and specialties also, students. There is no mystery about it. Miss Beam continued, everyone is very kind and it is really something of a game. Before the day is over, though, even the most thoughtless child realizes that what fortune is. So Miss Beam said that there is no mystery about it. ऐसी कोई मिस्ट्री नहीं है, ऐसी कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है। मिस्ट्री मतलब माइसरी मीन्स डिफ़िकल्टीज़, देयर इज़ नो सच टाइप ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज़। एंड देन मिस बीम सेड दैट एवरीवन इज़ वेरी काइंड, सारे बच्चे बहुत काइंड है एंड दे ऑलवेज वांटेड टू प्ले दिस टाइप ऑफ गेम, बट व्हेन बिफोर द डे इज़ ओवर, ऑल्दो ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन मीन्स द मोस्ट थॉटलेस चाइल्ड, मतलब जिसको कोई चीज़ की समझ नहीं है, वो भी थोड़ा मिस फॉर्चून के रिलेटेड समझने लगते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। सो स्टूडेंट्स, this video I will keep it only the 10th paragraph. Later on we will do the rest of the paragraph and you will see the whole story completed very easily. So students, your homework is that you have to write the all the meanings which have been written in the in this story in your notebook, and you have to write the two sentences of each of the meanings, okay, each of the word. So this one is your homework. So in the next video I will make sure that you will do your homework and I will see you in the next topic, students, okay? And then after this chapter would be completed. So till there, students, stay home, stay safe. With the help of these lines I would like to pack up. And students, if you have liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, Best English School Students, okay? Till there, bye bye and have a nice day, students.